take you through 6 basic rhythms. Now, it takes time to get used to rhythms. You need to be able to embody them, feel them. So if you don't get them all today, don't worry. Take one at a time, practice as often as you can, and let it become part of your muscle memory, which means it's just embedded and you'll know it and you won't forget it. The more you play, the more you'll remember it. Try not to get hung up on just one pattern. Use many and apply them to the songs we've already learned. So let's take our next strumming pattern, for example. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's go back to row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Again, I just stuck to the C. We learned it in F and C on our second lesson. You can also play this with C and G. So where you say life is but, you play a G and then back to C for dream. Let's try it with rhythm 3, which is down, 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 up, down, up. You can stay on C or try to move back to C and G with me. Down, 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 up, down, up. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Now you will have noticed there that we changed chords halfway through a strumming pattern. This happens sometimes. So we played down, down for G, and then back to C for down, up, up. So sometimes people will say, when do I know how to change chords? How do I know how many times I play a strumming pattern? If you're playing in 4/4 time, so groups of 4 where we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, your chords will land on either the first beat of your strumming pattern, 1, or in the middle of your strumming pattern, beat 3. The songs can be in different measures. They can be in groups of 3, they can be groups of 6, even groups of 12, and more odd times. But as a beginner, try to focus on your groups of 4 for now, maybe 3s. We're going to practice rhythm 4 with Hush Little Baby that we learnt in the second lesson. So we've got down, up, down, down, starting on F. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hush little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. If that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. So as you're probably starting to see, you can apply different rhythm patterns to different songs. And they're really great because it's a way for you to express a song in the way that feels right for you. It's good to get creative. So you could just write down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So there should be 8. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And just erase some. So write them with grey lead and then erase some. And try playing that, ensuring your hand still moves up for the ups you've erased, your hand still moves down for the downs you've erased, but only play the ones that are still there. And you're essentially making up your own pattern. Okay, we're going to continue with Hush Little Baby. Let's try rhythm 5. Hush little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. If that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring. And our very last rhythm, rhythm 6, we'll do back with Row, Row, Row Your Boat. And you'll notice this rhythm and the previous rhythm we just did, the first half is the same as the second half. So these kind of rhythms are a little bit easier for songs that have faster chord changes, because you're not trying to think about what the first half of the strumming pattern is for one chord and what the second half is for another. So we have 1, 2 and 3, 4 and, or down, down, up, down, down, up. Ready? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. So there you have it, a bit more more on strumming patterns, once again, you have plenty to practice here. Take your time, try to master the movement of down and up, and try to practice counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Once you feel comfortable with this lesson, come back and join us for our next lesson, where we will be going over finger picking basics.